In today's video, I will teach you how to create a typography portrait in GIMP. Let's get started. Start by opening GIMP on your computer. Then go to File, then Open, to select and open the photo that you want to use for your typography portrait. In the Layers panel, right-click on the background layer, then select New Layer and name it Text. Ensure this layer is placed below the background layer. Then fill this new layer with black by going to Edit, then Fill with foreground color. Then select the Text tool from the toolbox and click on the text layer to start adding text. Then type your desired text to fill the entire layer, and you can be creative with the text content and arrangement. And you can change the font style, the font size, and alignment using the text tool options at the bottom of the toolbox. Now, use the Move tool to position the text if needed. Now, select the background layer in the Layers panel. Change the layer mode to Multiply from the drop-down menu at the top of the Layers panel. This will blend the image with the text layer below, allowing the photo to show through the text. With the background layer selected, click the Duplicate Layer button at the bottom of the Layers panel twice. You can adjust the number of duplications based on your preferences to intensify the blending effect. Now adjust the opacity of the duplicated layers if needed to achieve the desired balance between the text and the image. Then experiment with different text fonts, sizes, and alignments to enhance the visual appeal. And once you're satisfied with your typography portrait, save it by going to File, then Export As. Then choose a format, for example JPEG or PNG, and specify the location where you want to save the file. Then click Export and confirm the export settings as needed. If you find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we upload new videos.